Hello, this is the Scorpion Solar Watch campaign team lead, Dominic. Most people think that when a wall clock stops, it's because the batteries run out. But when a wristwatch stops, they think it's broken. That's because a wristwatch that comes with an embedded battery is prone to gradual discharge regardless of how long ago it was purchased. Replacing the battery is not an easy process either. So, Scorpion thought long and hard about this. Isn't there a way to make a long-lasting, high-quality watch for use in daily life with more comfort, lightness, and style? Scorpion's master craftspeople have over 40 years of clock-making experience and have been researching, developing, and producing nearly 500 different types of clocks, which are primarily focused on accuracy and durability. At last, we created the Solar Watch, a watch that's the fusion of our clock manufacturing knowledge. The Solar Watch is a finished product and was completed and inspected over a 2-year rigorous period. The result was an even more perfect and premium quality timepiece. The Scorpion Solar Watch version 3 was born. The solar movement conveniently tells the time. 2 minutes in the sun is all it needs to operate for an entire day. With a full charge, you can use it for a maximum of 90 days. As the watch gets charged automatically with solar rays, you don't have to replace the battery periodically. It's super convenient and eco-friendly too. The semi-permanent flawless design of solar movement also keeps the time error down to less than plus or minus 10 seconds a month. Ultralight, high-grade titanium body. The entire body is made of titanium and only weighs about half that of existing stainless steel watches, boasting comfort and wearability the longer you wear it. Dome-type sapphire glass. The dome-type sapphire glass shows the hour plate more clearly and vividly and is scratch-free, even with prolonged use. Dial viewable at a glance. Smart chronograph that precisely measures and records time. Easy remaining battery check. High, under 90 days, medium, under 60 days, and low, under 30 days. Battery low alarm feature, 24-hour display date window, trendy and wearable design in 5 colors. Unrestricted activities with its 50-meter, 5-atmosphere pressure water-resistant feature. Luminous index which lights up brighter in dark places. 7-year international battery warranty, and of course, a reasonable price. We've finally created the perfect premium daily watch. Please join us on the last stage of our journey. Get acquainted with the Scorpion Solar Watch version 3 on your wrist now.